We're here at Laney's Airport. It's currently 7:18 in the morning. We're waiting on Warren and Ace to get here, and I'm not sure what our flight plan is this morning, but we're going to go ahead and start unpacking and getting ready because they'll be here any minute. I'm not sure what they have in mind, so we'll see how it goes. We got our wing laid out and the wind shifted direction, so had to relay back out our wing. It's supposed to be 50 degrees up high. I guess we'll see how that is because it's pretty chilly down here. I mean, sometimes it is, sometimes it isn't. Waiting on Warren to take off right now. I guess he had some sort of issue. If you can see, the wind's pretty stiff up here. We're barely making any progress forward. It says it's 23 miles an hour. Once you get down a little bit lower though, you can start moving again. I guess let's swoop in and check on Warren. Check this out. We're flying at about 1,000 feet above ground now. We're not really moving forward. It's pretty interesting. So if we turn sideways, we start crabbing to my right. We'll turn back into it here, and as we descend, we're descending pretty much straight down. So we're not really moving forward. Watch what happens once we get closer to the ground. We'll start to pick up airspeed. So there's a 20-mile-an-hour inversion. So down low, there's almost no wind. There's a little wind, but not much. And then once you get up about 1,000 feet, there's an inversion layer. Let's go ahead and drop down a little faster here. See, we're starting to move a lot more forward now. And we have penetration in pretty much both directions. So once we get down low here, we have pretty much ability to go whichever direction we want. So wind definitely affects this sport a lot. If you don't have good wind on the ground, the wind up high is going to not be great. But the inversion layer is not that big of a deal. It just depends on the day. You can really tell by the windsock on the ground, but See, we're able to freely move in pretty much any direction down low here. It's pretty crazy how the wind layers are affected. I'll throw up a shot of the wind report from this morning. We're not moving really fast this direction, but we are moving. Warren got up off the ground. Don't know which way. I guess we're going this way since the wind's coming from this direction. Hop down here and fly around with Warren. Oh, it's significantly colder down here too. Yeah, here's a different little airport near Laney's. Plus you got Highway 16 right there. Nothing like playing around a mud pit. So here I am coming into land. I'm spotting the truck, so I'm going to try to land next to the truck. You can see the truck there off in the distance, and I don't really notice the runway marker lights. So I kill the engine. I'm getting ready to flare. I think here I was hoping that I would land short of the light. As you can see, I start my flare here and I notice the light. Once you start your flare, it's hard to reorientate yourself because you've started pulling down the brakes and the motor's off. I did my best to try to jump over it, but my cage caught the light, causing me to trip. Broke my camera. We're just gonna put this back and pretend like nothing happened.
I can't laugh. Did you see my takeoff?
No.
Oh, dude, I dumped it on the first one.
Did you?
Yeah. Notice the 8 more zip ties I have on my rig?
On your what?
Notice that 8
Oh.
ties on my rig?
Also, my glasses are starting to fog too.
Oh, yeah?
I don't think I broke nothing, just my pride.
I can't hear you, Dave. Hang on.